From a biological standpoint, cooking food to survive makes absolutely no sense. And yet, the human body will literally starve to death if it only eats a natural, wild diet. Every other animal on Earth thrives on raw meat, tough leaves, and unprocessed seeds. They possess the physical machinery to pull raw energy straight from nature. But if you attempted to copy them, your digestive system would rapidly fail, leaving you malnourished and exhausted. To understand why, we have to look at the baseline blueprint of primate digestion. Processing raw, fibrous materials requires an enormous, heavy apparatus. Gorillas spend up to 6 hours a day chewing tough vegetation, utilizing massive jaw muscles and specialized giant teeth. Once swallowed, that raw mass enters a highly complex, elongated digestive tract. Their colons are essentially giant fermentation vats, packed with bacteria that work around the clock to break down tough plant walls. It is a slow, incredibly energy-expensive system, designed exclusively to harvest nutrients from the raw wild. But in humans, that primitive system suffered a permanent evolutionary interrupt. Millions of years ago, our ancestors discovered fire, and it completely broke our anatomy. Cooking acts as a form of external digestion. It uses heat to break down tough collagen bonds in meat and gelatinize stubborn starches in plants. Because fire did the heavy mechanical lifting outside our bodies, our internal machinery began to shrink. Over generations, our jaws became smaller, our teeth shrank, and our chewing muscles atrophied. More shockingly, our intestines shortened by over 60% compared to other primates. Our bodies made a massive evolutionary gamble, trading away our heavy digestive system for a tiny, streamlined gut that can only process pre-softened, high-calorie cooked meals. This anatomical glitch yielded a terrifyingly beautiful consequence. The energy we saved by shrinking our digestive tract was immediately redirected straight to our heads. It fueled a massive explosion in brain size, allowing us to build civilizations, invent technology, and dominate the planet. We became the smartest creatures on Earth, but it came with a dark catch. We are now biological hostages to our own technology. If you are stranded in the wild, your small stomach simply cannot hold enough raw vegetation, and your weak jaws cannot chew enough raw meat to keep your massive, energy-hungry brain alive. You will burn more calories trying to digest raw food than the food can give you back. We are a species trapped in a loop of our own making. If you're fascinated by how our bodies handle cooked food to survive, you need to see what happens to you when you ingest toxic venom.